In this video, we will take you through how to perform a test on ELE Sieve Shaker. Complete guide. Setting up the sieve shaker. Set up the threaded rods. Sieve stacking. Place the receiver centrally into the appropriate recess in the lower vibrating location plate. Stack the required number of sieves on top of the receiver. Place the sample in the top sieve and fit the lid. Fitting the clamp plate. Locate the clamp plate on the two rods and slide down squarely onto the lid of the sieve stack. Carefully tighten the hand wheel simultaneously to ensure that the clamp plate is located square on the lid. Apply power to the sieve shaker by switching the main switch on the control module. As we switch on the power supply, the first screen visible to us is when we stop the process using stop key. Still the same screen will be visible to us. As we click on the mode button, configuration mode window will open. The first one is sieve minutes. Select sieving duration in minutes, from 1 to 999 minutes. The second one is vibration level. Selects a level of vibration from 0 to 99. The third one is the intermittent mode. Select the intermittent mode. Enable or disable as required. Fourth one is intermittent sec. Select the ON time when using the intermittent mode. Fifth one is the date and time update. This is used to date and time update of sieve shaker and system. After configuration, restart the control module. As we click on the switch on key, sieve shaker will start running and will show test started.